do, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Ree, and I'm back with another video. Yes, it is Pride Month. I have these beautiful Pride press-ons that I made for a viral TikToker named Nashawn Woods, aka Nene. So y'all, let's get into the video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you'll be notified every time your girl posts a new video. So y'all, make sure you also go follow me on Instagram at Sherice the Nail Tech. So y'all, here's these extra long press-ons that I custom made with Nene's nails, and I used acrylic, and that there was white by Valentino. So I'm going to be using this white that has a tacky layer on it so that I can put those beautiful colors on top of the white, so it's like a pigment. And when I say tacky, I mean that when you cure your polish has a sticky layer on it. And some people think it's not cured or dry once it has a sticky layer, but no, that is what you call the tacky layer. Other people call it different things, but that is how you will achieve the look with the pigment colors. So I'm just going on and doing my design with my white. I really didn't have a way that I wanted to do these. I just went on and just did something, to be honest. And however, I used clear acrylic on these press-ons because I wanted it to blend in with the, regular acrylic. I mean, the regular color of the press-ons. And plus I wanted that clear look in between my design so you could see through the nails. So I went on and I did that. Also, you make custom press-ons by putting oil on your client's nail bed before you put the acrylic on there, so that when you're done you can pop them right off. So I use oil, and I also use a peeling agent, like a peel off, like where you can put it around the stuff that they use when they put it around the cuticle if polish get on someone's finger when they're polishing, and they peel it right off. So I use that and oil.
It's stupid when I'm alone with you, I never feel lucid. I wish I wasn't struck by Cupid. I wish when I first saw you I knew this. When I'm with you I feel so useless. I feel diluted, my heart's been wounded. Silhouettes of you.
Once I cure that for 60 seconds with my UV light, I go on and grab my pigment colors. You can use pigments, you could use acrylics, and you could also use watercolors, but I went on and used these acrylic pigments that I made. So I'm just gonna take my fan brush, that's the pigments right there, my fan brush, and just pick up a little bit of color and just like slightly tap it around the nail and just, go which and every way with it. And I usually just go over it twice so that I could get that deep color in there, because when you go over it one time, it's like a really light, the colors give off like really light, and I want to kind of cover that white up a lot better than what is showing right now. So I'm going to go over these colors twice, and once you're done, you want to wipe off the color so that you won't mix it up. When you fan off your colors, normally the colors will start mixing together, creating different colors. So you want to slightly tap that off and wipe it off with the fan brush. Because I did notice that I did do that on one of the nails where all the colors was stuck together, and when I wiped it, it like created like a brownish color, and I was like so upset. So I kind of like went over it again and did it over. So I tend to like wipe my brush off on the towel or the paper towel every time I use a color, just so I won't mix those colors together. And by the way, make sure you go check out Ree and Cal's YouTube channel. I'll put the card up top right here because it's lit over there. Y'all, we've been doing good over there. Lately, our one chip challenge been going viral, so please go check us out. But anyways, I'm just repeating the same thing with all these nails, and I'm just making sure I do not wipe off the tacky layer with no alcohol or no wipe solution. And I'm just going on and I'm just putting these colors wherever, like just, you know, making it look cute. Oh, and by the way, I don't know where y'all from, where y'all stay, but when I tell y'all gas over here is so freaking high, like it's so high. It's almost about to be at $6. And it's just upsetting me that our president got involved in this craziness that's going on. And now we have to deal with the gas and all that other stuff that's going up. Like, I put $20, was it 20? It was $30, I believe, in my car yesterday. And it didn't even go to half. It probably went to a little bit over a quarter, I want to say. And I was so upset. Gas is like it was 5.15 at the gas station I was at. So I was like, oh, I need to go to Kroger's, use my Kroger points. DJ. Sorry, y'all. My son. He always try to do this every time I do a video. This is why I do this when he sleep. But anyways, y'all. So this is the nail foil that I'm going to use. Also, when I got done, I top coated all my nails with clear. And this is nail foil that I'm going to use to outline my lines so you can't see any of the imperfections. So I ran out. I need to get some more, but I kind of like, you know, got a little bit out. And I'm just going to use my I think this is a number 7 brush, and I'm just gonna outline that, and I'm gonna use like some silver foil or whatever to put on there, and then I might outline it with some white or something. I don't know. You just really need a small piece. I really cut too much, but you're just gonna dab, 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 and it should stick once you cure it. I use the foil gel that you cure under the light because I feel like it works better than the one that dries with air. But yeah, that's all you gotta do, and it should stick on. And then you have to top coat that before you do anything else to it because you don't want to wipe away that foil. So I'm using my Kiara Sky top coat, and I am just going over that to get, you know, that foil on there, give it a more gloss. Don't mind me, y'all, I'm goofy. But anyways, now I'm going into putting my rhinestones on. I'm using ABs, and I'm just using different sizes. I'm using more 5s and a little bit of 3s in there, maybe some 6s, and I'm just going to create that same pattern that I drew on the nail with the white with these stones. So I'm just kind of like doing the top part of this nail because I left the top part empty so I could cover that whole part with rhinestones. I love using this wax pen, so I advise anyone to use wax pens when you're picking up stones because it's so helpful and it makes you go a lot faster. And I'm using super glue. I like to use crazy glue because my stones stay on. I don't have any problem with crazy glue. So whatever glue you like to use, some people use gel. I have had problems where when I use gel, my stones tend to fall off a lot easier and quicker with clients. So the glue has really, really worked for me. So I'm going to go back to that nail that I was just doing, but right now I'm going to focus on the nail that I'm going to put all the stones on. So I'm going to put different shapes on this nail and just bedazzle it out, you know what I'm saying? And then I'm also thinking about putting a fur ball on the top of this nail just to give it like an extra like ba-dang. Whatever that means, but just to make it look really pretty and nice. So I'm going to be using my C&D shellac top, well no, not top coat, gel white. And I am going to use this to outline around the foil because I want to give it more of a artistic look. I can't really explain what kind of look I'm trying to give it, but I'm going to outline around the foil. And then once I'm done with that, I'm going to go back in and work on my stones. But really, to be honest, I actually put that white in there because I didn't have any more colorful fur balls. So I decided to use a white one. So I needed some white on the other nail. So that's why I used the white. So here's my little fur ball I'm gonna use. I just see where I wanted to place it, then I place my glue where I want to put it. And y'all, these fur balls are used by magnets. So like if your client needs to cook, wash their hands or anything, they can take that fur ball off. The magnet will stick to the nail like a stone, and then the other part of the magnet is stuck to the fur ball, and they can just pull it on and put it back on. However, now that I see where I'm going to place that, I go in with more stones. And guys, I can't really explain to you how I place stones or where to even put them, but I just like go as I place them. Like I might see like a spot that's empty and I might be like, okay, I need a few little small stones here, or I just kind of like go with the pattern. You could create shapes and things like that. I kind of think of it as geometry. I don't know, like it's just really complicated. Like stone placement was hard for me when I first started, and then once I like start understanding where to place stones and how to connect them, I like got the concept of it. So you could pretty much do anything with rhinestones. You just have to know how to really place them and where they fit and where to put them.
Even though I offer all of the solutions, I wish you loved me like I love you, it's stupid. When I'm alone with you, I never feel lucid. I wish I wasn't struck by Cupid. I wish when I first saw you, I knew this. When I'm with you, I feel so useless. I feel diluted, my heart's been wounded. Silhouettes of you are like a taunt. Never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm. I can feel the sweat inside my palm. Play with me like cats and a string. You don't understand the pain it brings. You don't ever wanna give me wings. You don't ever wanna set me free.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, baby, you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed, thinking something out of my nose.
And see, y'all, it be times where I feel like, oh well, this stone shouldn't go here, so I peel it off and put something different there. You just gotta go with how you feel, like what kind of look you're going for, and if you think it's cute or not, or if your client think it's cute. Oh, he just keep making noise, y'all. He just don't care. I keep telling him to be quiet, but he just don't care. So guys, the magnet that I was talking about is right here where all that little bit of fur and stuff is sitting at on, right there. I had glued a little bit of fur onto the magnet by accident, but it doesn't matter because when you put the fur ball back on there, it's going to cover it up. But that's what that looks like. So now I'm just going in again and just creating different shapes and just going with the flow. This kind of looks like a flower almost, and I didn't even attempt to do that, but hey. And by the way, what other videos do y'all want to see? Like, comment below of things that you all want to see, because I know I do a lot of like super advanced nails and I want to make you all happy and have y'all learn, and especially if you're a beginner, just comment below and let me know. So once I'm done with this, I am done with the whole set. Here goes the ending results. I hope you all like it. Make sure you comment and subscribe and let me know what you want to see next, as I said before. And make sure you go check out Ree and Cal's YouTube channel. And I'll see you all in the next video. Peace. Love ya. Mwah.